Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to lock the touch screen on your Insta360 GO Ultra. To do it, you should slide down from the top of your screen, then click on this little lock icon. Now the screen is locked, so you can still use the buttons. Right, you can use all the buttons. You can start recording, you can take a photo, do whatever you like. But if you'd like to unlock the screen, tap on it, then slide, and it's unlocked now. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.